So I'm really irritated right now. I've been off my ADHD medication for weeks and now I'm afraid to take them because I don't want the symptoms that come with the beginning. I can't focus. I've literally been chasing cheap dopamine all day. It's 4 p.m. and I can't fucking focus. Anyways, I thought it's a great time to try this. And this is Brainzyme, Focus Original, Focus Elite, Focus Pro. Let's go with the Focus Pro. Let me read the instructions. It said motivated, mood support, memory support, focus and concentration, 8-hour energy. A lot of claims. 2 capsules, 60 minutes after food. That's perfect just because I literally ate an hour ago. I'm sitting down to finally do some work, which I've been trying to do all day. Okay, I'm gonna take these 2 and see how I feel and update you. I did it. Now we wait. Okay, I just finished editing 3 mini videos, so that's good. That's very good. I definitely feel like it did something. That's good, because I thought it's gonna be like vitamins, you take them and you're not gonna feel it. I do feel something. I feel this sense of subtle calmness. So there's definitely a shift, but I need to sit with it more to see. So I'll update you in a little bit again. I definitely feel it. That's crazy. I was very skeptical. What is in these? I don't want to get too excited. I'll update you again. You guys, it's been an hour. Why is this working? You're telling me all this time there was a freaking supplement out there that I could just take? What is this life? Listen, I'm all for natural supplements, okay? But when you think ADHD, you're like, nah, those things are not gonna work. Turns out it does, bitch. I'm gonna go do some more work and I'll get back to you. All right, final thoughts. Bro, I'm low-key speechless because I seriously thought this is just some vitamins I'm gonna take and feel nothing. You feel it. You feel the sense of calmness. And because when you're not on medication, you get understimulated and overstimulated all the time, and then you're irritated and then it's harder to focus, this actually, I think, helps. Now, obviously, this was my first impression. I can keep trying it and let you know, like, after a month or something. But for now, I don't know, like, how is this brand not more famous? They reached out to me and they were like, try it out. If you like it, we can collaborate. I'm like, if I like it, but I'm skeptical. Bitch, turns out I fucking love it. So I'm getting a discount code for you guys. Now I'm collaborating with them now that I know it is worth trying, and I think you should try it. Like, what do you have to lose? Try it, and if you like it, you're good, bro. Like, you have something that works. That's just a supplement. I love that. Let me know if you want to know how I feel after a week, after a month of using it, and I'll let you know.